Hi guys, hope you're fine. Hope you're having a lovely day. So today I'm going to be showing you a very simple recipe of how to steam plantain without a steamer. This recipe can only work for you in case like you have banana leaves. Yeah, it's very simple. It's very common in my country and I'm sure you love it. So first, what I'm doing is to wash the plantains. Always wash your food before you cook it. So you wash them clean, then you get a separate pan and put some water there. And in the saucepan, I'm going to put, I don't know how they call them, but they're found on banana leaves. You put them there and then put some banana leaves because we don't want the water to enter the plantains. It is only the steam that has to cook the plantains. I prefer to use ripe plantains in case I'm going to steam them because they taste better. The ones that are not so ripe, I prefer them roasted. Yeah, so you can have your plantains for breakfast, you can have your plantains for lunch, or even for dinner, or it can even be a snack because plantains are sweet anytime, any day, anywhere. And in case you haven't yet subscribed to my kitchen by Nana, hit the subscribe button. It's down below in red. Also hit the notification bell to notify you whenever I do upload. In case of any comments, just leave them down below in the comment section. So I'm using so many banana leaves because I need them to cover the plantains. In case you use few banana leaves, most of the steam will escape from the pan. So what you have to do is to put as many banana leaves as you can. Then you also cover with another pan on top. In case you try cooking your plantains this way, you love them and you prefer them to the boiled ones because the ones you boil in water, they tend to lose some of the taste. But when you steam them, they don't lose a single taste. The plantains have been cooking for about an hour and I'm sure they're ready now. I normally cook them for about an hour and they're ready. I'm going to be showing you how they look like at this point. In case you leave them on the heat for about 2 hours or 3 hours, they'll change the color. They'll become purplish, but I cook mine for just an hour. As you can see, the plantains look ready. They're soft and cooked. So I'm going to be having them for lunch with, of course, some other foods. And I hope you've liked the video. And I hope you also try this out at home. Thank you for watching. Hope you join me next time. I always upload every single week. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day.